So guys, this is my toy helicopter from Christmas, from last Christmas. My tita gave this to me. And this is the helicopter. It's very small. You could carry it anywhere. These are the blades for flying up and down. And this is for turning left, right, and blah, blah, blah. And here is the on and off button for the helicopter. And then here is the controller. So this one is for making the helicopter fly up and down. This one is for forward and backward. And then this one is the on and off button. These are the lights for the helicopter. Here is the place where you put the AA batteries. And here we have some light to change the light. If the color is this or this, it won't work. And that's all. So guys, we're gonna test this helicopter outside. Let's go. So guys, this is the helicopter. We're going to test it and let's see if it works the way I expect it to. So 3, 2, 1 and go. It's hovering forward. Going forward, backward. Whoa!
Oh,
So I'm gonna do 1 and go.
oh,
It's going forward. So guys, this is test number 3.
okay, let's.
3, 2, 1, fly up. Forward. Okay, backward.
Oh, where is it? Oh my god, it doesn't work well.
It doesn't fly around.
Yeah.
When I go forward, it will go forward, but in a sideways.
How about turning around?
Turning around. Okay, let's try turning around.
Okay.
So guys, this is test number 4.
Oh no! Oh my god, it doesn't fly up.
Okay. 4 guys.
Okay, test number 4.
I'm going
Okay.
to make it fly high.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, it's working. Whoop. Woo! What? Okay, go up. Higher, higher. Whoopsie. Stop na, be.
Remember?
I don't remember.
What happened?
Okay, shall
That's
we do
why
it
I'm
again?
scared. Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay, next.
This time, let's go there.
I'm shy.
Mm.
Okay, never mind.
Always go there.
Sige, okay, okay. Ready?
So guys, this is helicopter flight test number 5. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's higher now. No, not so high, baby. Let it down. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh! Oh no. No!
You know what? That's why I wouldn't go too high.
But it's okay.
Yeah, at least it works.
Okay, so what now? It does work?
So let's try it again. So my goal is going to try to make it inside the gate or land it somewhere. So guys, now we know that this toy helicopter will work. And I've been testing it a lot, but it doesn't fly properly when you try to make it go forward or something. But I think you just have to practice and then it will work, because I think I did something wrong. So guys, this is the toy helicopter. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! So guys, this is flight test number 6. I'm going to try to make it go there in the middle of the street.
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1, go. Forward, forward.
Forward! But it's going backward.
to make it go forward, but instead it was going backward.
So,
So, I'm gonna try and try and try again.
sige na.